Robots aren't just a modern idea. The dream of creating life from lifeless matter is ancient. In India, these creations were called automatons or yantras, machines that amazed and mystified. Imagine entering a palace where metal guardians, not humans, stand watch, eyes glowing, weapons ready. Ancient texts describe such marvels, crafted by skilled yantrakaras who built machines that moved, spoke, and even fought. These automatons blurred the line between human skill and divine magic. They weren't just entertainment. They symbolized humanity's urge to create, to understand, and to reach for the divine. For people then, a mechanical bird that sang was a glimpse into the universe's mysteries. Yantras bridged the known and the unknown, showing that with knowledge and imagination, even the impossible could seem real. These stories weren't just about machines. They were about wonder, ambition, and the magic of creation. The legacy of these whispering machines still echoes in our fascination with technology today. Ancient Indian texts brim with tales of mechanical marvels. The Samarangana Sutradhara from the 11th century describes yantra purushas, mechanical soldiers guarding fortresses, and even flying machines called vimanas. Legends say the Buddha's relics were protected by robot warriors, crafted by the god Vishwakarma, and powered by ingenious mechanisms. Temples featured doors that opened on their own, and statues that moved to bless devotees, wonders built with pulleys, weights, and water. For worshippers, these weren't tricks, but miracles. Technology enhancing the divine. Even King Vikramaditya's throne was said to judge character, with statues that came alive to tell stories of virtue. These automatons weren't just machines, they were storytellers, guardians, and teachers. They wove technology into faith, making the divine feel immediate and real. Through these tales, machines became vessels for wisdom, culture, and awe. In ancient India, science and spirituality were deeply intertwined. Building a yantra was seen as imitating the gods, the ultimate creators. The knowledge of making machines was sacred, passed down like a mantra. These devices weren't just technical feats, they were symbols, blending the material and the spiritual. A moving statue wasn't a deception, but a way to make the divine tangible. Like puppets in a play, automatons became vessels for stories and meaning. People knew they were human-made, but chose to see the divine within their motion. In this worldview, technology was the body, and meaning was the soul, inseparable. The yantras of India were both magic and machine, proof that faith and invention could coexist. They remind us that every creation is both a marvel of skill and a spark of imagination. Did ancient India have robots? Not in the modern sense of thinking machines, but they had ingenious automatons. These stories weren't just myths. They reflected real feats of engineering and imagination. Mechanical guards, talking thrones, and moving statues blurred the line between science and the sacred. Technology was never just about function. It was shaped by belief and wonder. Today, we build robots and tell stories about them, still asking what it means to be human. The ancient tales invite us to see technology as a source of inspiration, not just utility. Whether real or symbolic, these machines show our timeless drive to create, question, and dream. From yantrakaras to modern engineers, the quest to blend science and soul continues across the ages.